In this video, we will be discussing the key features of the FAFAIR A3 L1800 DTF printer and determine whether it's worth buying or not. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the latest price. The FAFAIR A3 L1800 is a high-speed DTF transfer machine designed for both hobbyists and small businesses looking for precise, high-quality prints. One of the standout features is its integrated white ink mixing system along with the automatic circulation and cleaning system, which ensures smooth ink flow and significantly reduces the chances of nozzle clogging. This is particularly useful for users who may not print daily, as it maintains consistent printhead performance over time. The printer delivers ultra-high-definition prints at 1440 dpi, which means every design comes out with incredible detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're printing intricate graphics or simple text, the output remains crisp and professional. Combined with rapid ink solidification heating technology, this printer ensures your prints cure efficiently on transfer films, saving both time and effort. Its speed and continuous output make it a very efficient choice for bulk printing jobs without sacrificing quality. Another important advantage of this printer is its versatility. It can print on a wide range of materials including clothes, hats, bags, pillows, shoes, socks, and other fabric-based products. The maximum printing width of 11.8 inches covers most common project sizes, making it suitable for home businesses, custom merchandise, or personal DIY projects. This wide application potential adds significant value, especially for creators looking to expand their offerings. The package comes complete with everything needed to get started: the A3 L1800 DTF printer, a DTF oven, 5x250 ml inks, transfer film, powder, nozzle cleaning kit, and the required software. The printer is carefully packed in a wooden case for safe delivery, reflecting attention to detail from the manufacturer. On the downside, the printer is relatively heavy at around 79 pounds, so it may require a dedicated space and a bit of setup effort. Additionally, while it performs excellently in quality, the print speed is moderate at 1 page per minute, which could be a consideration for extremely high-volume users. Overall, the FAFAIR A3 L1800 DTF printer is a reliable, high-quality, and versatile printing solution for anyone serious about DTF printing. Its robust features, professional output, and comprehensive package make it a strong contender for both small businesses and creative DIY enthusiasts looking to elevate their printing projects.